Who's the most heartless and evil person you've ever met? My mom was in the hospital, really sick, touch and go kind of situation. I asked him for just one day off to be with her. Keep in mind, I'd worked there for 5 years, never took a sick day, never asked for anything big. He looked me straight in the eye and said, "If you walk out, don't bother coming back." I couldn't believe it, but I chose my mom. Obviously, she needed me, and I wasn't going to let her down. When I returned the next day, I found out he'd already replaced me, just like that. No conversation, no sympathy, just an email in my inbox saying I was no longer needed. But here's the kicker, he didn't stop there. A week later, I discovered he'd been spreading a rumor that I'd been stealing from the company. It was all lies, just a way to make sure I couldn't find another job in the industry. I was grieving the loss of my mom, and now I was blacklisted and jobless, all because of this guy's twisted need to exert control. It was beyond heartless. He knew what he was doing. He wanted to destroy me, and in that moment, he almost succeeded. The cruelty was so calculated, so personal, that it still chills me to this day.